So today we talk about club research at my donkey to Excel VBA reply to reporting problem. ដែលក្នុងនោះមានមិត្តរបស់យើងបានចោទសួរនៅក្នុង Facebook group ថា I want to protect unprotect the cell A1 to E1 by filling the text protect and unprotect in cell F1. So I say you can do with VBA. Okay. Let's see whether how I can present this to him. First, how to protect and unprotect the sheet using drop-down list. Highlight A1 to E1 and F1 with different color for identification. So I did highlight A1 to E1. I highlight this color, and F1 I highlight differently. And then right click F1, choose format cell and tick lock in protection tab. So I did right click format cell, then untick protection lock. I click OK. Okay, and then go to data validation, choose list input box as protect and unprotect. So I go to data validation and I choose list and I type protect unprotect. Okay, then I got the drop down list protect and unprotect. Okay, and then else, and then right click sheet 1, choose view code. Okay, right click, choose view code. What next? The next is handling code protect and unprotect. So I go to general drop box, pick worksheet, and the next drop box, pick change. So I go here, general drop box, pick worksheet, and this one I pick change. So I will do something with the change here. This is useless. I remove it. It's useless for this code, for this purpose. So I remove it. I pick only the worksheet change. Then what? Then write the code below. This is to validate the target row and target column. Target row is row 1 and target column is F. So which means that I pick the target is F1. So put if target row 1 and target column go to 6, then okay, I did something like this. And what's next? Finishing the code. First I put as active sheet unprotect first. Active sheet unprotect. And after I do something with the code, then I put active sheet protect. Okay, and then within that code I do something more. With that is about the target value. If the target value is protect, then I lock. If the target value unprotect, then I unlock. So this is what I have done. And if I input nothing, so let the code will be exit. Okay, so I put if target value protect, then else if target value unprotect, then else exit sub and if. So within the protect, I do something with range a1 block. So protect block true. If not unprotect, unprotect range a1 okay, block for. Okay, so the code is done here. Let's check for the result. Here, if I input nothing, I can do something like cat, dog, something like that. Here, I can put apple, orange juice, orange, coconut, banana, and what's that more? Juju, something like this. Okay, so all this, if I put as protect, even here is protect. Okay, here is protect, cannot delete or remove, edit. This one also protect, this one also protect, this one also protect, this one also protect, and even the last one is protected. If I put as unprotect, so this is protect, this is protect, but this not protect, this not protect, this not protect, this not protect, this not protect. If I just go back, if I choose nothing, then this is not protect, it's not protect. So I hope that this code will be work for you. Okay, next. Oh, thanks for watching and spending time with me. This kind of video just have only in YouTube/c/reoptimumswiss and Facebook/reoptimumswiss only. Please subscribe if you like it. Thank you.